Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy's Place. I am happy that you're back with me today for another video. This time I'm bringing a wig review. Yes, a wig review because it has been a long time. And I know a lot of my longtime subscribers have been wanting to see another wig review. And I am so sorry it took so long. But I just got a couple in the mail. And this is the first one. This is the Freedom Part 103. Doesn't have a name, but it's from Freetress Equal. And you know how wigs usually have a name, but they don't have a name for this one. I guess this is like a series because I think there was a Freedom Part 102. And I'm not sure of anything else, but this is a Freedom Part 103. And you can shift the wig any way you want to the left, to the right, you know, a side part to the left or the right. And I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can see it. But it's like a wavy consistency or wavy do. And it is like a yucky texture. I'm going to double check because I haven't opened it yet. I just got it out of the box. And y'all are unboxing it with me. So it is a color OP430. Kind of like a brownish color. The color on the box, hopefully y'all can see that. It's like a reddish color, and it is a OT530. But the one in the box that I got is OP430. It is curling iron safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And yeah, so let's go on and unbox this girl and see what we're working with. A lot of y'all know I am natural up under here, but I mostly do protective styling for my naturals because I just don't like, my hair is like, I guess to here, but all shrunken up like a natural is. It's like a little short afro, I guess about like out to here. And it's kind of cute, but I'm just not comfortable with short hair because I just think I look better with longer hair. And my hair used to be long. Up until I had my middle child, my girl. And as a lot of women know, we go through changes and stuff. And it has just never been the same since. I always say she took my hair. She took my hair. But, let me see. And then she got a pretty head of natural hair. Praise the Lord. Okay. Should have brought some scissors in here with me. And I'm back in my studio, my little studio. Because as most of y'all know that are longtime subscribers again, somebody is gone. So, and if y'all not longtime subscribers, y'all have to look back through the video and see who I'm talking about. But I am using little Mrs. Room. Okay, looky, looky, looky. It is a pretty brown color. I hope it is as pretty as some of the other ones that I've seen on YouTube. Because I always look on YouTube first to see what some of the other people that have gotten it, you know, what it looks like on them. Try to picture how it'll look on me. But anyway, this is the color, and it's a very pretty color. Pretty brown, kind of ombre look. It's darker brown up here, and then it gets down here. It's a little lighter. It's pretty brown. It is a full cap, and like I said, it is a freeform Freedom Part wig, and it has a nice parting space. Hopefully you can see that. In the cap, it has 2 combs in the front and a comb in the very back. There's combs in the front, and there's one at the nape of the neck. And then there's adjustable straps here. One over here in the very back, which will be here. And the other one over here. So you can adjust it to fit your head size. And I'm going to try her on so you all can see what she looks like. Hey now. This is what she is looking like with the middle part. And I forgot to tell y'all, I got her from Sam's Beauty. And I do call my units her because each one has a personality. I have, since they didn't name it, I'm going to name her. I don't know what I'm going to name her, but I like her. Oh, I like her. This is cute for every day. Because like I was saying before, I'm natural. And all y'all know, fooling with natural hair is time consuming. And then you got to figure a lot of stuff out. It don't always come out right. And it's a little tricky dealing with it. And then if you in the wrong, you know, climate, it don't always do well. I know my daughter says she went down south and she had to adjust, you know, her routine to different things. I don't have time, y'all. And look at this. I can put on, I mean, this is right out the box. I didn't do anything to the parting space. Didn't put any concealer on. This is right out of the box. Right out of the box. I haven't really even finger combed it or nothing. I mean, I went in there. It's been like 5 minutes since I put this thing on. I like it though. I really like it. Got it from Sam's Beauty and she was $24.99. And I got 2 wigs. The other one's $29.99. The next one I'm going to do a tutorial on or a review on. But this one, $24.99. Ordered it on Saturday. It came on Wednesday. So that's not bad at all. I'm going to switch the party space and show you all what it looks like. Okay, I still have the center part. I went in there and I put some concealer on, or tried to put some concealer on. I don't use foundation and concealer. I just bought the concealer for my wigs for the parting space, and the concealer had dried up. So I just improvise. I always improvise. The eyeshadow that I use for my lids, I have one that's like almost the same color as my skin, like in the eyeshadow palette. I put the eyeshadow just on the tip of the concealer thing that I used to use on the tip, because this is a brush tip. So I just dip this in the eyeshadow, and look, y'all. I don't know what it looked like on screen, but it looks good in person. And put it here, and now it looks like a bigger part. So I like that. Okay, now when you put a wig on, sometimes it's humpy right out of the pack too, because like I can tell on one of this side, I think it is, it's a little bit humpier than this. You can either kind of wet it a little, just dampen it just a little, or maybe even not, but tie a scarf real tight around your head to kind of flatten it out. If you want to flatten it around here, it doesn't look too bad, but I think I am going to do this little scarf, you know, little scarf trick to kind of flatten it out almost to the shape of my head. I don't want it too flat, but I like that. That is so cute. Okay, now I'm going to try the side part. Looky there. I don't know which one I like better. I kind of like it to the side. That's really cute. Really, really cute. Eee, I like that. I like that. I'm going to switch it to the other side. Okay, had to see what it looked like with my glasses on. So that's cute. That's cute. Now to the other side. Okay, that is cute too. That is cute too. I like my parts on the left side of my head. So when I wear a part, I will be wearing it to the left side. So far, I like it on the left side and the center part. It just feels funny on my right side. But it's cute. It's cute. I really like it. Also, I have a couple of tips and information about this wig. I had to write it down because I didn't want to forget to tell you anything. First of all, this feels really good. It does not feel like a wig. It feels like I just went my natural hair on my head. I don't have that heavy feeling and that tight feeling, you know, and all that. So it feels good. The wig construction is very good. It is not super tight. Everybody's head is a different size, so remember that. But it fits my head. And I don't have a big head, so it's average. So it feels really good. I did not have to use the tighteners in the back, the adjustable straps. I didn't have to use those. I do not have any, I did not use the combs, rather. The combs that are in here. They can damage your hair. I just use bobby pins in my wigs and stick them in like a good 3 places, and that's it. The combs can be damaging for your hair. It's a light yaki texture. So it looks like real, human hair, African American hair. It's not real kinky, but it's not silky and shiny and everything. It doesn't have too much shine. So it looks really good. I have a little mirror right here. So it looks and feels really good. So, and I love this color. Make sure you get a color that complements your skin tone. And if you wear makeup, the kind of makeup you wear and everything, just make sure it complements your skin tone. It's the perfect length. This is my favorite length. I've been wearing some that was too long, I think, for me, but I was just trying them out. They look pretty, sometimes for the most part, but this just looks more natural, it looks good, and it feels good. There's little to no shedding with this too. I think I had like 2 or 3 strands when I just kind of pull my fingers through. I didn't even really finger comb this too much. I didn't do a whole bunch of anything to it. I definitely didn't brush it. You can brush it. I've seen people, brush it on camera, but I don't want to do that right away because as you wear your wigs and keep them, they, fluff up. So I like this. I want to keep it like this. I know it's going to naturally fluff up, and that's fine too, but I want that to happen later when it's supposed to, but I don't want to fluff it out on purpose and get it, too, The hair is not in my face. I love that. When I had it in the center, this side and this side, it was not in my face. I do not like hair in my face. I want to feel like there's, nothing there. That's my favorite hairstyle, other than up. When I wear my hair up, that's my favorite. But I like, hairstyles that are not in my face. I just don't want to even think about it at all. So I love this. I love this. I cannot tell you all how much I love this hairstyle. And I have named her. I've named her Morgan. Just looks like a Morgan. Kind of like all-American or whatever you want to say. Just looks like something everyday. It's cute. Plus, that's my granddaughter's middle name. Well, thanks everybody for stopping by. Please subscribe. I would love to have you. You can look back through some of my older videos. I have all different kinds of videos. It's just not, one deal thing here. Thinking about narrowing down the channel to a niche, but I just like doing a lot of things. So I have some vlogs here. I have, wig tutorials that are older, but I'm going to start doing more. Mukbangs. And a lot college hauls, college dorm move-ins, just a lot of different things. So come back. I would love to have you back here at Tracy's Place, and you all be blessed. See you next time.